How to buy VulpeFI token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure that you get the account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on Mexc. You can buy it from your Mexc account. Now, first of all, what you need to do, just go and you open your Mexc account like that. Now, if you don't have an account in Mexc, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in Mexc to benefit from your words. Now, after that, what you need to do, just go and click here on the search bar and type VulpeFI like that. VulpeFI. Now, as you can see, you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, as you can see, you need to wait 2 hours from now to be able to buy this token. After that, what you need to do, just click here on here and you can paste here or type how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on buy VulpeFI, and in about a few seconds, a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your account. So this is how to buy VulpeFI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.